How to delete an automation on iPhone. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Shortcuts app. This is the default app in your device. After you launch it, you will land to the Shortcuts page. Now at the bottom, you're going to find different options. Navigate to the option of Automation. Now in this page, you're going to find all of your automations. Now how to delete it. It's a really simple and quick process. Head towards the automation that you want to delete. Just swipe to the left. You'll get this option of delete. Click on it. With that, the automation has been deleted. By applying the same process, you can easily delete other automations as well. Just swipe to the left. Click on delete. And with that, I have deleted the automation. Well, that's a wrap for this video. I hope you guys are clear about how to delete an automation on iPhone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.